Hello internet citizens and welcome to JavaScript training by Flipbell IT Studio. Now in this tutorial we are gonna learn about comparison operators. Now they are so important one. You need to compare things a lot while developing a website. So here is our first operator, that is equals to, quite simple one. And second one is our equal value and equal type. Now I want to tell you that whenever there are three figures in sign, then it's gonna talk about its equal value and type as well. Now third sign is for comparing about its type, whether it is a string or number or whatever it is. And next is not equals to. Now you need to take this in your mind, then whenever this exclamatory mark is gonna come, then it's gonna come for not. The next one is again, now it has three figures as I've told you. That first one is exclamatory and two equals. So there are total three, and that is why it's talking about its type as well as not equal value. Now next is our greater than. Now you need to keep it in your mind that bigger mouth is the greater value and smaller mouth is the smaller value. So it's gonna compare to greater than values or maybe the less one in the next sign. And finally the easy one, that is greater than or equals to and the less than or equals to. So now let's write a program and compare all the operators in just a real world JavaScript program. Now here we have a simple program that we have already written just in our last video and several videos of section 2 also. So now you are already aware about function and my function. Then let's set a variable x equals to 5 and end it with semicolon. Now that's it. Let's get the output of it then. So let's do it in our old fashion, that is document.getElement by id, and id is same here in as demo. Now it's gonna be same in all of our exercise file because I'm just using that exercise file again and again to save our time. And you need to notice here that inner HTML is gonna be different this time, as we are just gonna use the operator right here as double equals and 8. Now one thing that you need to notice that these operators will always get your result into the boolean. That is, either it will show the true or it will show the false. So let's save it and let me just show you a preview of it. So if I click on hit me, then it is showing our false value because x is not equals to 8. X is 5 and 5 and 8 are two different things. That is so obvious. So let's use our different operators now. Next was our equal value and equal type. So if I say x equals to 8 and x equals to 5, and this time if I put them in double quotes and if I click on save it and if I hit it, then you can see that it is exactly true because they are showing the same values right here of 5. But if I insert one more equals, so it is gonna talk about its type now. As you remember that I've told you that three figures are here and it's gonna talk about its type. Now if I save it and click on hit me, then it is showing you false. You can see that 5 and this 5 is same, but why it is showing false to us? This is because it is now considered as string because they are now in double quotes. But if I remove quotes from here and save it and click on hit me, then you can see it's true. Now this is what I was talking about, its type. Now let's use our different operator, and next was our not equal to, and that was exclamatory and equals. Now if I put here a value of x equals to 6 and if I put our second case and click on hit me, then you can see it's true because x equals to 6 and x equals to 5, they are not at all equals to each other. Let's move on to our second operator, that is equals, and now it's gonna be same once again, that it is gonna talk about its type. So let's put it into the quotes and let's hit on 5 there. Show true because it's a different not operator here, so it's gonna show us the different result like true. But if we put the correct value, that not in quotes, and if we save it and run it, then it should show us false because it's not equals to each other and it's not even its type is in the condition of equals. So if the condition is not right, then how can you expect a right answer as well? Now next one is greater than. So if I put the value of x equals to 5, and if I say that x is greater than 5, if I save it and I click on hit me, then you can see false, because x is not greater than 5, it is equals to 5. And likewise you can also use it for smaller one, and if I put other value, that is x is greater than or equals to 5, now it's gonna take any one of the value, either it is equals to or 5. So it's gonna show true in both the values if x is greater than or equals to 5. So if I click on hit me, then it's gonna say true. And likewise you can use this for smaller one too. So that's how all you use the comparison operator. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.